Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can fix Pinterest login not working, whether you are using continue with email process that is showing over here, or whether you are using continue with Facebook or continue with Google. We will see everything you need to know. So there are basically two methods to recover your Pinterest account if the login is not working. So the first method is pretty straightforward, that you can open the device in which you have the Pinterest account currently logged in. So this basically means that you have the account login in any device but not able to log in the other devices. So for that, just go to the Pinterest on that device. So here I am on my Pinterest account, and here you need to click on this arrow button over here, and here you need to click on settings. So here you need to go to security option over here, and here just uncheck mark this option, that is use your Google account to login. So if you are using Facebook option, then you will see that thing. So just uncheck mark that, and after that you will see the create a password thing, and you can type in the new password. So let me just create a new password. So here I have created a new password, and I will click on save, and I can save that in the browser if I want. So here I have saved that, and now here you can see that I am logged out in this device as well. So now we will have to log in with the email and the password. So here just enter the email account of the Pinterest account, and here enter the password and click on login. So here you can see that I was able to log in to the device again, and now I can log into any device I want. And the second method to recover your account is that you can just come to this login screen on pinterest.com, and here you will need to click on forgot your password, and here you can enter the username to find your account, and click on search, and you will see the account. You can say this is me, and here it will send a link to your account, to your email account, and you can click on that link to log in to your account again. So that's how you can fix the Pinterest login not working issue. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. If the video was helpful to you, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.